Hey everyone, my name is Jacob Hardy. I go to Coker, uh, and today I'll be walking you through my internship reflection at GE Healthcare. So during the summer of 2026, I completed a total of 136 hours on site. At the time of the creation of this presentation, I'm at 150 now. Um, and my main role was involved working closely with the design transfer team to streamline operations and logistics. Bu- bu- so moving on to this slide, my some of my core responsibilities day to day focused heavily on production operations, which means I was basically streamlining daily production. Uh, and one of the biggest projects I worked on was KPO cart creation, which not what I expected, but I was managing logistics and an actual component assembly. It required a lot of attention to detail. Um, I was actively monitoring how some of these components would move through the production line before reaching some of the final design transfer stages. So these are some of the examples of the KPO carts I made. Um, so this one on the left is a card I created 2 days ago for a Kaizen event, and I'm sure Dr. Wacker's probably familiar with those. That is a fixed ramp lead for the Demeter magnet. The picture in the middle is me just cutting some of the pipe for the KPO carts. That's the pipe is called Creaform, and on the right, that's also another cart, basically just a proof of concept for the Kaizen event. Today, actually, they made that probably 2 feet smaller, and so my design wasn't great. Um, but basically, these carts were super important for organizing the workspace. So the this second picture, that's a leak detector, um, and basically, it's yeah, I mean it's a digital interface with hoses attached to it, and it detects leaks. And getting hands on with some of these physical components really showed me a lot. Kind of showed me the tangible side of manufacturing operations. This for this slide, this is my technical and professional growth. I I say mastered. I worked with a comprehensive software tool called 3D Experience. This software actually became super essential for what I was doing, for managing parts, equipment, and logistics for the KPO cart components and some of the tool and parts that were moving to the floor. I did gain a lot of insight into interdepartmental communication. Clear communication was very important at GE. I observed firsthand that when some of the teams operate independently, that can significantly hinder operation efficiency. Um, okay. And of course, I mean, not every day was very smooth. I came, I approached some logistical challenges. The main challenge was with my main project for the KPO cart creation. Basically, the components would occasionally not align with the production schedule, which basically could threaten to delay the design transfer process. My solution was leveraging 3D Experience software that I mentioned earlier, by carefully logging each component individually in our inventory and just trying to refine the organizational process so it could run smoother. So classroom to corporate workplace. Basically, how did my major tie into this? Basically, completing daily tasks efficiently and navigating the tools and coordinating schedules, it was honestly pretty rewarding, just seeing it go into effect. Um, yeah. So, leadership and corporate culture. Working in the medical field, leadership was pretty deeply tied into patient safety, um, and complete transparency. Um, Carissa showed excellent examples of that, by displaying clear communication and to ensure that the alignment between each separate division within the plant were working together. Um, and then, so looking ahead, Carissa mentioned a position for me called lead sourcing engineer, which I didn't qualify, based on the qualifications in the job listing, um, and I needed a degree in engineering, which I don't have. So going into it, actually applying for it, I didn't expect much. Um, and I actually heard recently, 2 days ago, that I was turned down for it, which I'm disappointed, obviously, but I mean, in the short term, uh, it's not really gonna hinder my effort going into any other jobs or, um, yeah, it, I mean, it was kind of eye opening for me. Um, just really learning about the responsibilities of a sourcing engineer, because it's definitely not entry level, and it was something I didn't really work with much during my internship. Um, and yeah, so that was obviously unfortunate, and um, but I'm keeping my options open, hoping to find more jobs within GE or specifically that plant. That would be nice. And that is it. Thank you for listening. I truly appreciate the opportunity you gave me to work at GE. Um, it was honestly amazing. The people, the experience, just everything tied together was just amazing.